Hi, in front of me is TCL 10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Now open it, click Get Started and tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard. Tap OK and OK again. Go back, choose Input Options and tap LED keyboard. Over here you can choose the one that you like the best. I will go with that one. Choose Download Theme and wait. Now when I will go into my keyboard, I can see that it was applied successfully. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!